This is a Pelton Crane, model number OCM-204963. And today, this Pelton Crane needs a new bellows. And our new bellows just came in. So, what you want to look for is this piece here. The bellows is inside. You got to take this off. It's on kind of tight. You're going to turn that notched knob right here with your pipe wrench. Get that on there. Crack it. If it looks easy, it's because I already pre-loosened it. Twist it off with your fingers. Now we want to take that old bellows out. As you see right here, there's threads on this end of the bellows. So I'm going to put this in our vise over here with a towel to keep it protected. Tighten that up. Alright. Grab your pipe wrench again. I already loosened it, so I can do it by hand now. Now we're gonna put the new one in. I don't got enough hands to do this the same. Okay, yep. There we go. We screwed it on by hand. And now we can put it back inside there. Just going to tighten this up. You might want to clean it out while you got that opened up. Clean inside there. Then just put this back on there. Hand tighten it. If you feel the need, maybe hit it with the pipe wrench, but go easy on it. And that's it. You're done.